Ngavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi muthomi Njuki ni akenereire gukura gwa kigina kiria kaunti no irogotaga mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2022-2023 akiwa undu uyu ukinyaniirio ni uhuthiri mwega wa mbecha cia muigi undu umwe na guthinga mathenya ma kuria mbeca ici ciuragira.
Nithi is on a growth trajectory. Where we are at the moment and where we were in 2013, we are totally a different county, because from gross domestic product of about around 30 billion, now we are about 99 billion.
Muthomi na uria akwaragia kiruta ndumiriri ya haria kaunti ino irugamire thiini wa mbunge ya kaunti ino augite ati hari miaka 6 mihituku kigina gia kaunti ino ni gikurite na gicuje kia 257 gicuje kinene gikiumana na mwaka muhetuku.
People really have increased the income that they have in their pockets. This is contributed to the fact that our people have opportunities because of the devolved system of governance. They have more opportunities in agriculture and in trade, and improving infrastructure in both trade and communication has enabled our people to work more.
Ngavana Njuki na uria uratungatira itena riake ria wathani ria keri kaunti-ini ino ya Tharaka Nithi augite ati riria hiukirie wathani kaunti iria irogotaga muigana wa ciringi milioni 79 no kuma auhiukia kahinda-ini ka itena riria koretwo wathani-ini kaunti ino irorete gukorwo ikirogota kigina kia muigana wa milioni 250 guku ikirigirirwo gukinyia kigina kia muigana wa milioni 350 gukinyaniria na mwisho wa mwaka wa kigina wa 2023-2024.
We have seen remarkable growth in revenue, also own source revenue, from 79 million 6 years ago. We are now at almost 300 million, and we expect this financial year our target is 350. We have seen significant growth.
Gukire na guo Ngavana muthomi Njuki ni athiete na mbere na guthingiriria bata wa kurogota kigina kiingi makiria hari thirikari nene niguo hote kugaira counties kigina giacio na uigananu guku akiuga ati nyongerera ya kurogota gwa kigina kaunti-ini ino gutiumanite na kuongererwo kwa magoti kuona undu uria ekite ni guthinga mathenya maria mbeca cia muigi ciuragira.
We have not increased any levies in this county. We have not tasked the mama mboga more, we have not tasked the people more. What has happened is that we have increased the efficiency in collection by automating revenue collection and also ensuring that we have better supervision by having surveillance using digital technology.
Atanarikiriria nyakorirwo agitariria uria thirikari yake irutaniirie hari gutigirira ati ni yakorwo ikiarahura sector ya ugima wa mwiri guku akiuga ukinyaniria na riu.
We are able to have drugs and other commodities, including paying for tests when we do not have the exchequer release.